Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you how to take the spare tire off a 2015 Jeep Wrangler. I'm going to start by the location of the jack and the lug nut wrench. So you'll need the lug nut wrench to take the tire off of the spare. So open your back compartment, raise your carpet up. There's a plastic container, and then raise that up. And there's your jack and your lug wrench. It's in a bag that's stuck underneath the jack. So to remove the jack, you loosen up the, there you go, loosen up the jack. It just tightened to be in spot. Slide it out. And then here is the bag that has all the stuff in it. First thing is we gotta take the tire cover off. I find it very easy if you grab it from down below first. It's like a rope bungee cord underneath this, and you peel it forward. Then you can just grab it and twist it off. So you're gonna take the lug wrench out of the vinyl bag, and you're gonna pull counterclockwise to loosen up the lug nuts. Once they're broken free, you can do it by hand. Take the lug nuts completely off. I just used my leg to give it a little, lift it up so that the lug nut would come off a little easier. A little too much pressure. Okay, so once I get that, it's not gonna fall down, so I'm gonna set those aside. Then just grab the spare tire and lift it off. So now to bring the tire back up and put the flat tire back, if you change your spare, I'm just gonna grab it. I'm lining it up. It's got two parallel lug nuts and one down below. So it's like a triangle upside down. Perfect. Now I'm gonna hand start the lug nuts. Then I'm going to grab my lug wrench and snug it down. You just want them snug. I want to make sure it doesn't come off, obviously. Now to re-cover it, start at 12 o'clock and work your way around. I like to put my hand inside and pull down at 6 o'clock. Now you know you don't want it crooked because that'll drive everybody crazy on the road. Now I'm just going to keep grabbing it and pulling it down and tuck it in under. You want to make sure that the bungee cord part is all the way on the back. You don't want this thing flying off on the highway. And good to go. Put the carpet piece facing down. And that lug wrench sits upright. Then we put the jack in. Slide it down. And make sure the jack adjuster is on the right hand side. You're going to line this piece up with that ear. Right against it. Then tighten this jack down. Now it's snug, it won't make any noise and rattle around.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.